Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to promote affiliate links on Pinterest. So first you just have to create a Pinterest account. It doesn't matter if it's business or personal account, but what you want to do here is to simply create a personal account or a Pinterest account. Anyways, if you have a personal account, all you have to do is to switch from personal to business. If you want to see features like analytics or stats, if you want to track any activities or progress on your Pinterest or on your post. So as you can see, you can just simply add some affiliate links here if you're using personal or business account. So all you have to do is of course create pins, boards, and paste it right here. So if you're looking for affiliate marketing websites, there are tons of affiliate websites. And one of this is Digistore, but unfortunately, it's not available in my country. If it's available in your country, then you can search for products here and then copy that and put that on your Pinterest. Right now, I'm going to show you how to use Amazon. It's the same thing with Digistore. So all you have to do is to look for that product that you want to promote. Now you have to make sure that you know this product too well, because I think if you don't know this product and if you want to promote this, it would be a little bit hard for you. So you have to look for that product or something that is interesting here. So for example, you wanted to sell bedroom furnitures or any materials that you can see inside your bedroom. Let's just say you want to promote cabinets or something like any decors. Okay, so all you have to do is to look or select for the product right here. Okay, and then of course get some details and know more about this product. So let's just say this one, I wanted to promote this. So I can, or you can just simply save these pictures if you want, because you can use these pictures rather than getting some pictures on Google. So aside from, you know, Digistore 24, you can also go to Dr. Cash, a CPA Grip, and other affiliate marketing websites. But since you cannot use a Digistore 24 right now, I'm just going to show you how to use Amazon because it's the same thing. So, like we mentioned earlier, you can just simply upload or save some images, okay, that you can use later. So, actually, this time we're not getting or we're not copying this link and paste it direct to your Pinterest. Okay. This time we have to create a website first, and there we're going to paste that link from that marketing or affiliate marketing store. And then after that, from that website, we're going to copy that website, then paste it into your Pinterest. To show more, first and foremost, you have to create your website. So you can create your website using Google Site, but for me, I'm going to use WordPress. So you have to create an account on WordPress, and then here, or after you have created an account, then you can start your blog. So if you want to ask some help or some guidelines, you can ask ChatGPT to help you with this. So here, once you have typed or written some of your words or descriptions about the products, you can now add some image. So somewhere or before conclusion or anywhere on your blog, you can now simply add the link here. So for me, I have to or I want to add this link before conclusion. And actually, you can create or you can use tiny URL. If the link from that affiliate marketing website is too long, you can go to tiny URL to make it shorter or to make it a more attractive, something like that. So now you can add a photo or images after you paste that link. And then there, once done, all you have to do is to click publish. Okay, so that's it. Now, once you tap publish, you can now view your website. So the outcome or the result is just like this. Okay. So here we have website, and also you can see the link from that affiliate website or affiliate marketing store. So what we're going to do now is to go to Canva, and then let's create or make an image for our product. But this time we're going to use Pinterest template or templates using Pinterest pin or signs. So as you can see, all you have to do is to select Pinterest pin, and then this is what it looks like. Now you can now search for a template. Let's just say you are selling, or your product is all about wood or decors or something about living room, bedroom. So all you have to do is to type it right here. So if you want to select, or if you have found the right template for you, all you have to do is to drag and then upload those images, and then insert or drag those images here, or your product's image here. So all you have to do is to adjust, and then after that, what you want to do is just simply edit everything here: the font size, the font style, background. You can add the name of your product right here. I mean, above. You can change the color and everything here. You can add the lid and so on. Okay, so once you're done, then of course, what you want to do is just simply click that share button, and then download this picture. So you have to make sure that the size is Pinterest pin. So once you have downloaded this, all you have to do is to go to your Pinterest, and here, what you're going to do now is to simply add or create a board or a pin. Okay, so tap this plus icon. You can create board if you want to upload or add different styles of pictures under one board, so you can create board. And then here under board, you can now create pins. So tap this plus icon right here. Upload the image that you have created earlier using Canva. Okay, and then what you want to do next is to just simply add some title right here. So this is what I have created earlier using Canva. Description, you can ask ChatGPT for this, or you can create your own, of course. And then here is where we're going to paste our blog or website. Okay, so you can add tags, and then once done, all you have to do is to publish. Now, what's the difference with, pasting that link from Amazon or any affiliate marketing website and creating a website first? So people love to, read everything about the product first before buying it. So that's the advantage. So it would be better if you create a blog first or website first, and then attach or put the link there, so that when people click that one, they would know more about the product before buying it. Under your website or blog, you can say anything about the product, the good things about the product and the bad things. Everything is up to you. So there are people who love to read the description and know more the product first before buying it. That's the advantage of following this kind of tutorial. So if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.